Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to accept Klarna payments on your Stripe account. Perfect for offering flexible payment options to your customers. Now log into your Stripe dashboard using your business account, and from there, navigate to the payments method section. Scroll down until you find Klarna in the list of available payment methods. Click on it and toggle the switch to enable Klarna payments. Once enabled, you should test Klarna to ensure it works properly. You can use Stripe's test mode to stimulate a Klarna transaction before going live. Once everything is working smoothly, integrate Stripe with your e-commerce platform, whether it's Shopify, WooCommerce, or a custom site, and start accepting Klarna's payments. And that is how you enable Klarna payments on Stripe. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.